Welcome in our geography session for science 12th by Deshmukh ma'am. We already discussed a chapter 4th introduction in a last video. In the world there are different types of primary occupations are there. Agriculture, animal husbandry, fishing, mining and lumbering are the important occupation, primary occupation. Now we discuss a first occupation, that is the hunting. Hunting is also one of the important primitive activity. When in the stage of human evolution, hunting was only an important activity because a human being or a people are depend on a hunting in a forest area, which also practice on a subsistence base only. We can also say the need based hunting is there at that time, but with the development of settlement, the hunting for the commercial and greed base is there. Nowadays in the world we can observe the hunting activities are practiced illegally in the world only for a commercial view to get a maximum money through the hunting. Now in the world, commercial hunting is a ban all over the world. Only some tribes are practice hunting for their subsistence purpose in a forest area, in a desert area, in a swamp area also. A region where the other occupation cannot develop like agriculture and other economic activities, such region is only supportive for the hunting. Sometimes the hunting on a commercial purpose for horns of their animals, then skin as well as their hairs, as then nails, teeth. For example, the elephant hunting is for their teeth, because of there is a very high demand in the world market for the teeth of elephants. Then horns, these are also different important things are related with the different animals, and they are hunt for that purpose only, and through that hunting the hunters can get a maximum money. But this hunting is practiced in the world totally illegally, because that is the hunting is legally banned. The government and some institutes are also improve the awareness, create the awareness in a people against the hunting, and the save the environmental for the safe environment. World distribution of hunting as like this. Hunting is almost practiced in a different region in the world. Yes, it is almost related with the forest area as well as the desert area and swamp area. When the forests are very dense, then very hot temperature is there, at that time that forest also not supportive for the hunting purpose. But the forest, they are less density is there, moderate density is there, then the variety of trees are there, that forests are also important for the hunting. Hunting is easy compared to dense forest in that region. So the Bushmen of Kalahari region in a desert area, Kalahari desert area in African continent, pygmies of equatorial rainforest region, Borers, Eskimos in a tundra region, sentinels in Andaman region, Jarvas, Onges, etc. are also hunt for their livelihood. These are tribal peoples in a different part of the world. They are hunting only for a subsistence purpose, only for their livelihood. In African continent we can observe this distributional map of these different types of tribal people and their area, their region, respective region in Africa. Bantu is one of the important, and Niger Congo are the important tribe people. They are depend on the hunting. Then Africa, here is a Botswana, Namibia and South Africa. This part is occupied by the Kalahari Desert, where there is also hunting is important activity. In Andaman and Nicobar, we can also observe hunting activity. There are this picture shows the condition of 18th century and 2000 is also there. So there is a difference in between the hunting area of a relative that tribal peoples. For example, in a first picture we can observe this region shows a Jarvas. They are tribal people which are depend on the hunting. Their life is depend on the hunting. Such a people are practice their hunting in the southern part of this Andaman region, but they are expand their area in 2004, and we can observe this region is occupied by that Jarvas for the hunting. But there is a other thing, this region, these people, Great Andamans, they are also reduce their hunting function. They are only limited for this island, and this Onge are also reduce their region compared to the 18 and 2000. So sentinels, they are also constant related with their hunting area in a 2000 also. Bushmen in Kalahari is important. This region is important for the Bushman type of tribal people for a hunting. Now second important activity, that is a gathering. In the world, the forest area is important source for the gathering material. If we observe this picture, we can observe here is a honey, then paint, then rubbers type, this bubble is there, chewing gum, then these leaves and sticks, then this is a part of making a rope is there. So these all things are related with the forest material. Gathering, many people in the world who lived in the forest practice this gathering activity, which is depend on the forest product. For example, collect the fruits, roots, tubers, flowers, leaves, medicinal plants, gum, lac, honey, wax, rubber, and etc. things the people are gathered from a forest region. This is all these things are known as a forest wealth, and this is an important activity, economic activity from a primary sector. Some gathering is also for a high important economic source. For example, in a monsoon forest, there is a kath and kath which we get from the khair trees is very important. Some medicines, herbs are also important. They are people who are live in a forest area, they gather that material and sell out in the market. So honey, medicinal plant, this kath as well as leaves, fruits are important products which are also responsible for the gathering is an occupation. Equatorial forests are dense as well as they are also evergreen. Daily rain is there, due to the daily rainfall, the hot and humid climate condition is there, which is unhealthy for a people. That's why we cannot for human health. That's why due to this climatic condition, as well as density of forest is high, and due to that density, reptiles and insect are also there, and they are also one of the disturbance in a gathering of material. That's why very high density of forest is not suitable for the gathering purpose. It is one of the obstacle and dangerous for a gathering. So the collection is not possible in an equatorial forest. So that's why the gathering activity is not practiced on a large scale in a equatorial forest. But monsoon forest and temperate forest both are suitable and supportive for the gathering activity. Temperate and coniferous forest, lumbering is an important activity in a temperate and coniferous forest. But fruits, seeds, berries, pine nuts, medicines, then resins, oil, and etc. are important in gathering material from a coniferous or temperate forest region. So in this way, the world distribution of gathering is there. Now the next is lumbering. We discuss it in a next video. Thank you.